Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to solve boot device not found. Stay with me. Now you have to press F10 button then. Here is my F10 button. So there it is. Now we have to go system configuration. Press right arrow button. Here is my arrow button, right arrow button. Now we have to go boot option. Press enter button. Then click arrow button. Press enter button. Press arrow button and enter. Pressed left arrow button and enter, and finally save. Click F10 button. Here is my F10 button. Enter. Press this number 6 4 5 7 and enter. The problem is solved. Thank you so much.